Python Snippets in PolyAPI by Darko Vukovic, CEO, PolyAPI, April 16th, 2025. Speed matters. Whether you're building integrations, automating workflows, or just prototyping fast, there's nothing more satisfying than shaving minutes off repetitive tasks. That's why we're excited to roll out a more innovative way to accelerate your development flow in PolyAPI. Python Snippets, which is now fully integrated into our VS Code extension. With this update, Python Snippets appear directly in the VS Code extension tree and are ready to copy and use with a click. Think of it as your toolbox of clean, tested code blocks inside your editor. Why snippets? Snippets are more than just shortcuts. They represent the best practices, patterns, and logic blocks that developers reuse repeatedly. Instead of rewriting the boilerplate, refinding that API call example, or copying from your last project, you now have instant access to a curated, ready-to-run library of Python code right where you work. With PolyAPI's snippet system, developers and teams can speed up repetitive tasks by instantly copying code fragments, share best practices through centralized version-controlled snippets, reduce errors with pre-tested examples, stay consistent across projects and environments. Every snippet is designed to be copied into your codebase and adjusted as needed. No extra setup is required. Seamless integration with VS Code. Here's what's new. The PolyAPI VS Code extension now displays available Python snippets in the extension's tree view. No more switching tabs or digging through documentation. If a snippet has been created in your Canopy environment or uploaded via the CLI, it'll automatically appear in your workspace. This update ensures that the tooling developers love, VS Code, is now even more powerful when working with PolyAPI. Easy management in Canopy or CLI. Creating and managing snippets is simple. Depending on your workflow, you can use either the command line or the Canopy web interface. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, snippet management adapts to your setup. Snippets are grouped into collections, making organizing them by use case, team, or project easy. And because they're available by default to all PolyAPI customers, there's nothing to enable or configure. Just start using them. Built for teams, perfect for speed. If your team works with multiple APIs and custom workflows or frequently builds new functions, snippets can become a shared asset that increases everyone's productivity. Instead of each developer reinventing the wheel, they can plug into a shared knowledge base of PolyAPI ready Python code. And because they're surfaced directly in VS Code, onboarding new developers or cross-collaborating across teams becomes faster and smoother. Ready to try it? Snippets are live and available today if you're using the PolyAPI VS Code extension. Update them to the latest version so you can start using them immediately. Do you need help getting started or want to see a demo? Reach out to our team or sign up for Poly to get started.